Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday where we share quick tips to make your digital life easier. I'm Amiel and today's tip is something everyone should know how to do. I'm talking about clearing your browser cache. You might be wondering what a cache is. Think of it as your browser's memory. It stores parts of websites like images and files so pages load faster next time. Over the time though, that data can become outdated and can cause websites to load incorrectly or not update properly. Clearing your cache is a quick and easy way to fix these issues and keep your browser running smoothly. For Windows users using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose a time range. If you want a full clean, select All Time. Then make sure Cache Images and Files is checked. Then click Clear Data. For Mac users, the steps are almost the same. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose your time range and make sure Cache Images and Files is checked. Then click Clear Data. And that's it. Once you're done, your browser will load the most up-to-date version of websites and may even feel a bit faster. This is especially helpful if a website is not updating properly or something just does not look right. Clearing your cache is the most often quickest fix. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share this video with anyone who could find it helpful. See you next Tuesday for another tech tip.